Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 on this really lovely Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 litre. How the system works is slightly a bit different this time because we've done what we call a stall, so the customer was able to remotely start it, and obviously if someone jumps in and selects a gear, then the vehicle will stall. So I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, let's just start the vehicle now. There you go, vehicle started, running. And if I now select a gear to drive off, you'll see in a second. Put my foot on the brake, select a gear, vehicle switches off. Okay, really clever. So let's just do that again. So let's just start the vehicle again. There you go. If I'm going to select a gear, if you watch carefully, as I select the gear, vehicle stalls. Okay. So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he can disarm it in one of two ways. He can either just turn on the ignition and put his push sequence in, or he can start it, do his push sequence in. Once he's received a melody, he can select gear. So let's just do it that way. So let's just start the vehicle. Okay, vehicle started. Select the gear. So sorry, select the code. 1, 2, 3. System's disarmed. There you go. Select your gear. We can drive away. Okay, see it's in reverse. Also, if the customer wanted to take this for a service, the way he would do that is to place it in valet mode, is main ignition on, disarm the system, so 1, 2, 3, receive our melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off, back on, you get 2 bleeps. There you go, this is now in valet mode, means I can start it, as you see. Select a gear and we can move it. Okay, when you get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode is really straightforward. Just basically start the vehicle up again, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, we get a double bleep. There you go, select a gear, it's in valet, it's out of valet mode. Okay, let's just show you that again, just to show you that it's actually immobilized. So I'll give it about 10 seconds and then we'll start it again. So I think that should be about 10 seconds. Let's just start the vehicle. And now if you watch carefully on the dash, when I go from park, say, to reverse, vehicle switched off. Okay. Finally, if the customer wanted to change the code, this is also very straightforward. And the way he would do that is main ignition on, disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, melody. Let's do it again, sorry, done that too quick. So ignition on, let's disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, should I say start button off, and then start button on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now I'm going to change it to something very simple. I mean, I could use that one there, I could use that there, I could use some of the window buttons, and I can use this button here, this button here, this button here, this button here. So I'm going to do something very basic. So I'm going to go, say, notice it's giving us bleeps, so we know that the button works. We're going to wait for confirmation. And we're going to repeat. Or maybe I've done that too quickly. We'll start again. So key off, key back on, it will disarm quickly. There you go, there's the melody. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, key back on. I've done that too quickly, so repeat one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, pause, key back on. There you go, 5 bleeps. So I'm going to go, let's do the cancel, so it's just easy. So 1, 2, 3, wait for confirmation. And repeat, cancel again, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it could be any of these in different sort of combinations, but we're doing it just for video purposes. Wait for confirmation. Let's repeat that again. I noticed I must have done it slightly different. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, key back on. Let's do it. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. Again, 1, that was 3, These buttons are a little bit sticky, so let's just see. That's not a very good button to use. Let's just finally do it one more time. These are actually quite good to show you the errors that you could make as a customer. So let's just do, so we've disarmed it. Now I'm going to use this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, key back on. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. Again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. If we get the same confirmation, you'll see that this time the code is now learnt. It's good that we obviously made the errors on the other ones. There you go, code's learnt. So give it about 10 seconds. I think it's about 10 seconds, start the vehicle. Do our code. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the confirmation. There you go, select a gear. There you go, vehicle's running. Okay. As I said, this one here, we've actually done a stall immobilisation. Reason being, some of these cars have remote engine start, allows you to start the vehicle. If someone was to jump in and then drive it away, it would actually cut out straight away. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much, bye-bye.